I've had some incredible opportunities from working in cybersecurity, but also documenting my experience within cybersecurity and sharing information about how to get into the industry. Why is cybersecurity so important? You're protecting people, their data, and in some cases, their lives. What happens when that technology is now taken to the next level? They had someone create a deep fake, join the meeting. What do you think is the amount that they managed to swindle? 25 million. When you think about your cybersecurity journey, you need to see it as a 12-month journey. My journey took a year and a half. First, you need to understand networking. Networking is basically how do computers communicate with other computers. It is the backbone of cybersecurity. You get a bird's eye view. What is cybersecurity in general? Then the third stage is to look at specialization. It's a good starting point to help you have a structured learning program to understand cybersecurity. Have a look, what area in that certification interests you, because there's probably a role in cybersecurity that aligns with that area of interest as you're studying. Then the specialisms is now the delta, the differences. So if you work in finance and you want to get into cybersecurity, maybe cybercrime might be a short course that you want to get into to make that pivot. What I want you to take from this year, interdisciplinary roles, lateral moves. Stop trying to run away from the skills that you have. How can you leverage them? If you work to marketing and you're doing this, that's 100K remote. And you're not necessarily having to start again. There's a theme throughout this presentation, the art of leverage. Leveraging what you have, what skills, what company, what sector, what organization. If you work in finance, cyber risk, cyber insurance, cyber crime, instead of asking how do I start over, ask how do I reposition what I already do. Sometimes your pivot into cybersecurity is a series of small steps rather than a complete drastic change, and the power of the art of leverage. But if you want to keep up with cybersecurity, you need to be following National Cybersecurity Centre, and you need to be following GCHQ as well as the UK Cybersecurity Council.